I was playing pickleball and I had broken the top of my ulna and I'd broken the top of the radius into, I think, 4 pieces. I had just come home from the ER. My arm was stabilized and fully wrapped, and it was really unsettling to not know, like, sort of, what's my future? Am I gonna lose my ability to bow hunt or fly fish or something like that? And we got in touch with the center. Dr. Healy offered us an appointment for the morning after we got home, which was just ideal. And then when I saw him, I was kind of amazed. He said that he would be able to operate the next day, which just gave me extraordinary peace of mind that the doctor understood the problem and acted so quickly on my behalf. I would say 25 years ago, I started bow hunting. Being out there with the animals at very close range and to challenge myself using a bow, it's strenuous, it's difficult, but it makes it much more enjoyable for me. As an executive, I wasn't able to spend as much time on it, and so in retirement, I really wanted to key in on it, and I have. But then to lose my bow arm, really had to find a way to surmount this injury. Before surgery and after, Dr. Healy was really careful to explain that the outcome would depend on what happened in surgery, but it would depend to a great extent on my participation in physical therapy afterwards. The use of my right arm is so important, and so I followed his instructions to the letter and used therapeutic associates to great effect. My recovery has been stellar, but I think my commitment to getting my life back and getting back to the things that I so enjoy is just super priority. My wife and I came to Bend to sort of live the Bend lifestyle, which is snowboarding, fly fishing, bow hunting, golf, pickleball, and to think about losing some of those things a few years after retiring, that was just unthinkable to me. And who knows what I might do later in life, new activities that I haven't even discovered yet with my kids or grandkids. I really need both of my arms at full function. I'm thrilled to be able to have that. I'm Andrew Cornell, and after I broke my elbow, I had it surgically repaired at the center.